Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add a sound to the soundboard on Discord on your server. So in order to do that, go to the top of your server in order to open the options and then go to server settings. Now over here you will find Soundboard, and here if you don't have any sound then you will see something like this. You can click upload sound in order to choose a new sound and upload it on your server. Over here let's click browse in order to try to find a sound. I'm gonna use this one as an example, and then over here in the preview section you can adjust the start and end point of the sound, and of course the sound cannot be longer than 5 seconds. Over here you can see the timer, or actually the length of the sound, and if you adjust then you can see that it changes as well. And if you have a sound that is above 5 seconds, then you will need to make it shorter by moving these start and end points. And then after that you can type the name of the sound. I'm just gonna type sound. If you want to, you can also add emoji that is related to that sound. And here you can adjust the sound volume. So if it is too loud, you can move the slider to the left in order to decrease the volume level. And then you can press upload in order to finish uploading the sound. And now if you want to add more, then of course you can click over here, this upload sound button. If you want to, you can also edit this sound by clicking on this pen icon. And here you can once again change the name and the emoji. You can also remove the emoji over here. And if you want to remove the sound, then simply press this X icon over here. Now, in order to use the sound, let's go back. You can open the soundboard over here, and here you will find all sounds that you have access to. So, for instance, these are default Discord sounds which you can use on your server, as well as over here you will see sounds that are uploaded on your server. And simply click on the play button, click on the button in order to play the sound, and if you want to, you can also add to the favorite by clicking on this star over here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.